it's me Yasmine and welcome back to another video. So in today's video, it's going to be a beginner's guide to making hook-only bracelets. I'm going to show you guys how to create thin bracelets, and then there are even extremely thick bracelets. So the first thing you want to know how to do is create a single chain on your hook. Take your hook and take a single rubber band, and then you want to twist it into a figure 8. So to twist it into a figure 8, you just place the band on your hook and then twist it and then place the other end on your hook. So then you have a figure 8. And if you want to, you can even create it on your loom. So you just take a band and you twist it into a figure 8. And then you just take your hook and then you grab both ends. So you grab this end and then you carefully grab the other end. So that you have a figure 8 on your hook. Then you want to take another band and you're just going to slide it and place it at the tip of your hook. Then slide this capping band onto that band. And then you want to reclaim the other end, the other blue end, so that it looks like this, and we created our first chain. So basically the key to making hook-only bracelets is you want to have good hand control while you are creating your bracelet, and carefully try not to drop the bracelet while you're creating it. It does happen a few times, but it just takes practice. So then you take another band and just simply slide it through those two ends and reclaim. Then you basically continue those same steps, and then you got a single chain on your hook. So now I am going to show you guys how to create a fishtail on your hook. Take a single band and create a figure 8 like we did before. Then you're going to take two color of your rubber bands, so I'm using pink and yellow, and you're going to place those at the tip of your hook and just slide this cap band through those two loops and carefully replace the other end on, so that you have 4 loops on your hook. Then you are going to get started with the next step. Anyways, now you're going to take another single band and just slide it through these 4 loops. And then you're going to reclaim the outside bands, so take just the yellow bands and just reclaim those on your hook. And then you place the blue band back on. Then you're going to take another band, a single band, and just slide it through these 4 loops again, and just pick out the outside bands. So take this band and this blue band and then reclaim on your hook, so that it looks like this. Now you may see this pink band trying to flip over, but it's okay, you just gotta stretch it a little and then it gets back into place. Then you're going to take a red band and slide it through these 4 loops, and then just reclaim the outside green bands and reclaim, so that it looks like this. Then once you are done, go ahead and repeat all those same steps, and then just replace a band and just slide it through, and you don't have to pick up any bands. And then you just place a C-clip, so that it looks like this. So now we created both of the single chain and the fishtail. Now we are going to get started with creating the 6 loop setup on your hook. So in order to do that, you are going to take a single band and make a cap band, so that it looks like this. Then you're going to take a different color or the same color, and then you're going to slide this single band through these 2 loops on your hook. And instead of reclaiming like a single chain, you're going to take one end and just take it off, and you're going to reclaim this end and this end. So you want to reclaim both ends of the capping band and then carefully place that pink band on your hook. So as you can see, this pink band is super loose, so you want to be careful not to drop it. So I like to hold both ends behind my hook and just hold that down so it don't fall. Then you're going to take another color band and you're going to slide it through the first 2 loops on your hook, and then just reclaim the second band that's on the outside so this pink band, and just reclaim that on your hook, and then place this yellow band on your hook, like this. And then you're going to flip this carefully around, making sure not to undo anything. And then you are going to repeat the same exact steps. So take a yellow band and just slide it through the first 2 loops carefully. And then instead of picking up this red band, you want to pick up this pink band. And then replace it on your hook. So then you have a 6-loop setup. Now I'm going to show you guys how to create an 8-loop setup. So in order to do that, so to get started, you're just going to take a single band and slide it through the first 2 rubber bands on your hook. Just like this. And then instead of picking both these bands up, you carefully want to pick up the outside band. So take this yellow band and place it on your hook. And then just place this blue band back on your hook. Just like this. So that you have 4 bands on this side. And then now we gotta add another band to this side. So then you have 4 loops on your hook. So flip your hook around and take another band and slide it through the first 4 loops. Slide it through the first 2 loops, sorry. And then you want to reclaim the outside yellow band and place this blue band on your hook. So that you have a 8-loop setup on your hook. So you have 4 loops on this side and 4 loops on this side. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make a 10-loop setup. You want to take a band and just slide it through these 2 loops and create pick up this outside band and reclaim. Then you flip your hook around, and then you carefully take a single blue band, slide it through the first 2 loops, and reclaim the outside band. So that it looks like this. And you have 10 bands on, you have 5 bands on each side of the bracelet, which create 10. So as you can see on the bottom of this bracelet, you're creating a fishtail, basically. And then it's just a long spreaded fishtail bracelet. So it looks like that. So now once we have that, we are going to now get started on creating a 12-loop setup. So then that creates even bigger bracelets, kind of like this one here. And to get started, you're going to take a single rubber band and slide it through the first 2 loops and reclaim the outside band. And then you're going to flip this around. Take another band and slide it through these first 2 loops and reclaim the outside band. That's how you create the 12-loop setup, the 10-loop setup, the 8-loop setup, and the 6-loop setup. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video on the beginner's guide to hook-only bracelets. I hope this helps you guys out, and if you have any more questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram. My Instagram is @minion.rainbowloomer, and whatever questions you have, I am more gladly to help out. And you can comment down below in this video as well. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you subscribe to my channel, you can become part of the Minion Loom squad. And be sure to turn on the post notifications to be notified when I create a new video. Anyways, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!